Hi Year 6, this is week 10, lesson 1, maths review. Use the diagram to help you complete the sentences. The length of the rectangle is 5 centimeters. The width of the rectangle is 4 centimeters. The total number of squares in the rectangle is 20. The area of the rectangle is 20 centimeters squared. Moving to slide 3. Work out the areas of the shapes. Each square represents 1 centimeter squared. And if you counted the squares inside the shape, A is 15 centimeters squared, B is 9 centimeters squared, C is 24 centimeters squared. What do you notice? Well, I counted the squares inside, but on C, it's a little bit harder because B was a square, A was a rectangle. With C, it's a slightly different shape. Slide number 4. Tick the shapes that have an area of 24 centimeters squared. Each square represents 1 centimeter squared. So I counted the squares inside all of the shapes, and all of them apart from the top right had an area of 24 centimeters squared. Slide 5. Draw 2 different rectangles that have an area of 8 centimeters squared. I managed to draw 2 shapes which had a dimensions of the width was 8 centimeters. Sorry, the length was 8 centimeters and the width was 1 centimeter. So 1 and 8. And the other one was 2 and 4, and the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. And what do we notice? That the factors can go together, so 1 and 8 can go together to make 8, and 2 and 4 can go together. Slide 6. Rosie is finding the area of this shape. To find the area of the shape, you can multiply 3 by 8, so the area must be 24 centimeters squared. Is she correct? No, because it's not a rectangle. And slide 7. Here is a rectangle. Work out the area of the rectangle, it's 7 centimeters squared, and draw me a different shape that has the same area of 7 centimeters squared. And you can see I've kind of gone for this shape here. I've just written the numbers as counting as I went along. Your shapes will be all different. Your shapes will all be different as long as inside there's 7 squares to represent 7 centimeters squared.